Okay, now we are going to discuss about basic time and material project concept. Like it's just a basic. So in this we are planning to do this creation of project group, and second part is like we are doing in USMF, right? Ledger postings and accounting impact, project creation means time and material project creation, create our journal, view voucher, and we'll see the project statements. Invoice. So these are the things we are going to perform in this uh, episode. So first of all, I'm going to USMF company legal entity, and in the project management accounting, will go and create the project group. So project groups. In the project group, I'm creating basic time and material project. Here project type must be time and material, and ledger postings such priority is a category I have given, and these all other fields I'm not changing anything. I'm taking as per this standard thing. So let's save this. We'll discuss these fields maybe in future episodes. So time and material basic I already given with the same name. So that's why it's throwing an error message. So I'm saving it as time and material one as a project group, and so once the project group is created, next step as per our agenda, it's ledger setup. So ledger setup in ledger posting profiles, ledger posting setup. In this ledger posting setup, we need to map the main accounts for cost as well as payroll allocation to book the hour journal. So I'm booking this particular cost table, and so category I'm picking as appreciate apprentice, sorry, as an apprentice, and I'm booking for, maybe you will use 601 601 501. This is the main account I am using for this apprentice category, and next account that is required to book the hour journal is that payroll allocation. In this setup, we need to select the payroll allocation and need to map the main account. So let's select the payroll allocation, and here it's given as all, and this one 600 300. So let me create new one to select the table level category. I'll use some other account maybe. Maybe this one I'll use 600 350. These are the two accounts that I have mapped for the cost account as well as payroll allocation. Next thing what we are going to do is that project creation. go to all projects. Taking new to create the new project. So I'm taking the time and material project. So then basic, maybe basic TM power journal. I'm giving for representation purpose, easy recognition purpose. I'm giving like that, and select the project group that you have selected just now, and it is basic TM1. Why we are getting only three groups means it is a time and material. We have three groups. So project contract, if you want to create the new one, you can pick it out. Right click view details, and take new. I'll give the same thing, basic time or journal contract. And customer account that I am giving is funding source account. uh, Maybe I'll select one of the customer in this USMF legal entity from the drop down list. I'm taking maybe this one, US 001. Once done, click on OK. Triple 0183 is our project ID. Sorry, project group. Sorry, project contract. Once project ID created, map that project ID here. And project manager, I'm not giving anything, and just creating the project. It's taking time. Once the project is created, and we need to change it to in process stage, otherwise it won't allow any entries to post. So once it is changed to in process, we'll go and create the our journal. Let me click on this, our journal. Take new. Category I'm taking apprentice, as we created setup for apprentice category, so I'm picking apprentice here so that we can recognize which account it is booking. So taking 7 hours and posting the hour journal. Yeah, once the journal posted, let's go and check the voucher from posted transactions. We can check it out. From the manage tab, posted transactions for this project. So sale price it is 80 rupees, 80.5. Amount in transaction currency 70. So what is the account it's picked? Car rental expenses 501. 501 is project cost account, and credit is payroll allocation account, which we mapped in the uh, ledger posting setups. If you want to check it again, go to USMF company, project management, ledger posting setup. There we can cross check which accounts it's picked, whether it's picked correctly or not. We have given the table level of apprentice, project cost of this particular account, 601,501 account, and for payroll we have picked category apprentice, and 6000350 we have provided there. Based on that setup, that our journal has been posted, and debit the cost account, project cost account, to the payroll payroll allocation account. So ledger postings settle. So for cost, for apprentice, 601501, 601501 is the debit account. Okay, and allocation will be the credit account. For payroll allocation, for apprentice, 600350 is the main account we mapped, so that is credited. So this is the way uh, our journal will post, and what is the voucher impact. And let's go and see that project statement, how it looks after posting the our journal. Control tab, you can view the project statements. If you scroll it down, this is a revenue thing. Go to profit and loss account, and view WIP and consumption, invoice, hour rate. These are the project statements we have. After posting, we'll come and see here what is happened and how it's been changed, the penal account, everything. So first we'll go and do the invoice for the our journal. To do invoice, go to manage tab, invoice proposal, select the our journal that you have posted previously. Once the invoice posted, the entry supposed to be customer account will be debit. Why? Because they are providing the services. Uh, so customer customer account will be the debit, and project invoice revenue will be the credit. customer summary account will be debited, and the project invoice revenue account will be credited. If you want to see invoice journals, then check here. So if you want to see the voucher, and it will be, sorry, here. First we have booked cost to the project. Cost to the project means someone, one of the person worked as a apprentice for that project, and he given services for the project. So we booked project cost. Project has to pay that amount. So project cost has been debited, and payroll allocation has been credited. So once the invoice done, we are giving the invoice. We are once the invoice done, invoice is created. So invoice proposal we are running. That at the time, customer account, customer balance will be debited, and service revenue will be credited. Project invoice revenue. So project invoice revenue has been credited, and customer balance will be debited. So this is our expectation. This came from accounts payable, accounts receivable, ledger postings, and 401 200. It's came from project invoice revenue. Project invoice revenue. The revenue accounts. If you, yeah, 401 200 for, so 401 200, this is the account. It's picked category group relation here. So if you check that apprentice category, what is the relation, group relation, then we'll come to know which group it falls under, and that's why it's booked to 401 200. So this is some basic thing regarding the time and material project, booking the hour journal, and invoicing the hour journal. Once the cost is booked, and revenue, project invoice revenue has been booked, and customers balance also, it's, so that's, in this video we'll discuss basic fixed price project in next